welcome back to the channel. We're going to be unboxing the Ryobi RMS10G miter saw stand. We're going to go ahead and get this unbox it and let you know what's in there. Alright, comes with your owner's manual, one saw stand, two saw stands, clamp, that's for later, same thing. Alright, and all your hardware. Oh, this guy's got some weight to it. That's it. It's contents of the box. Alright, so this is what we have in our kit. We have two of those, two of those, two of those, two of these, one of these, and this guy. Cool. Take your carriage bolts. There. There. Here and here. Take your carriage bolts. Put it like that. And grab this guy. Do that for both. Alright, next thing. Have these. This part will go in like that with these guys. And then last, I have these guys here. Cool. Next, let's go ahead and mount the saw on there. And all right, so we're going to do some adjustments here. Maybe not. Let's go ahead and mount this dude up. Okay, what I probably should have done here is move the saw down to the ground or put it on the table and then attach the, instead of trying to mount the saw on the brackets while it's on the table saw stand. But again, probably the reason I did this is I was having back issues at the time, so I didn't want to do a lot of bending down, and this seemed a little bit easier for me at the time. So, but don't do it this way. Don't do it this way. All right, we're gonna make this guy work. Well, there it is. There you have it. The universal miter saw stand does fit the 12-inch. A little bit heavier than what I anticipated it to be. But seems to work. We'll see. See if my miters start mitering better. That stand, kind of like my cart a little bit better. It's a little bit more mobile. This one I'm going to have to set up and take down every time. Might switch back to the cart. I don't know. I like the cart.